The automotive world is buzzing. Audi, renowned for its sophisticated engineering, is making a bold move. The Audi A4 and S4, a stalwart in the mid-size segment, are being retired. Taking its place is the all-new Audi A5.
The A5 represents a new era for Audi, focused on sleek design and sustainable mobility. This transition marks a significant shift in Audi's lineup. The A5, available in both sedan and estate body styles, will cater to a wider audience. It's a strategic move to consolidate Audi's presence in the fiercely competitive mid-size market. By streamlining its offerings, Audi can focus resources and deliver an even more compelling product.
But this change is about more than just market share. The A5 embodies Audi's vision for the future. While initial models will feature a range of combustion and hybrid engines, a fully electric A5 is on the horizon. This strategic approach allows Audi to meet the evolving demands of its customers while staying ahead of the curve in a rapidly...
The decision to replace the A4 with the A5 is a bold one. It's a clear signal that Audi is not content to rest on its laurels. The brand is committed to innovation, to pushing boundaries, and to shaping the future of mobility. The A5 is a powerful symbol of this commitment, a car that embodies the very essence of Audi's forward-thinking philosophy.
The new Audi A5 is a head-turner. Its design language is a harmonious blend of elegance and athleticism, drawing inspiration from the Audi A6 e-tron concept. The exterior is characterized by sharp lines and a muscular stance, accentuated by the signature quattro muscle wheel arches. This is a car that exudes confidence and sophistication.
The front fascia is dominated by a wide, single-frame grille, a hallmark of Audi design. This is flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the A5 a bold and assertive presence on the road. The sloping roofline hints at the car's performance capabilities, while the rear end is equally striking, featuring full-width OLED taillights that create a distinctive visual signature.
Step inside and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and tech-laden cabin. The A5's interior is a testament to Audi's meticulous attention to detail. High-quality materials and ergonomic design create a premium ambience that is both inviting and driver-focused. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system.
Every element of the A5's design, both inside and out, has been carefully considered to create a cohesive and engaging experience. This is a car that appeals to both the head and the heart, a car that is as beautiful to look at as it is to drive. It's a perfect example of Audi's commitment to creating cars that are not just modes of transportation, but objects of desire.
The Audi A5 isn't just about good looks, it's a technological tour de force. This is a car that showcases Audi's commitment to innovation and digitalization, from its state-of-the-art infotainment system to its comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. The A5 is packed with cutting-edge technology.
The infotainment system is a marvel of modern engineering. Accessed via a large touchscreen display, it provides intuitive control over a wide range of features, including navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and connectivity options. The system is designed to be seamless and user-friendly, making it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go.
But the A5's technological prowess extends far beyond infotainment. The car is also equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety, convenience, and driver confidence. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring work in harmony to reduce driver workload and mitigate potential hazards on the road.
The A5 is a car that's constantly looking out for you, using advanced technology to make every journey safer and more enjoyable. It's a perfect example of how Audi is using technology not just to impress, but to genuinely improve the driving experience.
The new Audi A5 will be offered with a range of powertrain options designed to cater to diverse needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize performance, efficiency, or a balance of both, there's an A5 engine to suit your driving style. The lineup will include petrol, mild hybrid petrol, and diesel engines, all paired with either a manual or an automatic transmission.
For those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, the mild hybrid petrol powertrain will be a compelling option. This system combines a conventional petrol engine with a small electric motor, providing a boost in power and torque while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The mild hybrid system also allows the A5 to coast with the engine switched off, further improving fuel economy.
But Audi hasn't forgotten about driving enthusiasts. The S5, the performance variant of the A5, boasts a powerful 3-litre V6 TFSI engine that delivers exhilarating performance. This engine is mated to a revised S-tronic dual-clutch transmission that has been optimized for increased torque and improved agility.
The A5's diverse range of powertrain options reflects Audi's commitment to offering a car that can meet the needs of a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver or a thrilling performance car, the A5 has you covered.
The new Audi A5 isn't just a regional offering, it's a global player. Audi plans to make the A5 available in key markets worldwide, including Europe, North America, and Asia.
This strategic move highlights Audi's ambition to strengthen its presence in the highly competitive mid-size segment and cater to the diverse needs of a global customer base. The A5's global appeal lies in its winning combination of sleek design, powerful yet efficient powertrains, and cutting-edge technology.
It's a car that transcends regional preferences, offering a universally appealing package that is sure to resonate with discerning buyers around the world.
Audi is backing the A5's global launch with a comprehensive marketing and sales campaign designed to highlight the car's key attributes and position it as a leader in the mid-size segment. The brand's extensive dealer network and established brand presence in key markets will be instrumental in ensuring the A5's success on a global scale.
The A5 is more than just a new car, it's a statement of intent. It signals Audi's commitment to global expansion, to delivering world-class products that meet the needs of a diverse and discerning customer base.
The A5 is poised to become a global ambassador for the Audi brand, showcasing the very best of German engineering and design.
While the initial launch of the Audi A5 will focus on combustion and hybrid powertrains, the model is also paving the way for a fully electric future. Audi has confirmed that an all-electric variant of the A5, likely to be called the A5 e-tron, is currently in development and is expected to be launched in the coming years.
This strategic approach allows Audi to cater to the evolving needs of its customer base, while staying ahead of the curve in the rapidly changing automotive landscape. The A5 e-tron represents a significant step forward in Audi's electrification journey.
It will be built on Audi's premium platform electric, a dedicated platform designed specifically for electric vehicles. This platform will enable the A5 e-tron to offer impressive performance capabilities, long electric driving range, and fast charging times, addressing key concerns of potential EV buyers.
The introduction of the A5 e-tron will mark a pivotal moment in the A5's life cycle. It will demonstrate Audi's ability to deliver premium electric vehicles that combine performance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology without compromising on the driving experience.
The A5 e-tron will appeal to environmentally conscious customers who are looking for a stylish, practical, and technologically advanced electric vehicle without compromising on performance or driving dynamics.
The new Audi A5 will be positioned as a premium offering in the mid-size segment, targeting discerning buyers who value style, performance, and technology. While official pricing details have yet to be announced, it is expected that the A5 will command a premium over its predecessor, the A4, reflecting its enhanced features, advanced technology, and overall refinement.
The A5's pricing will be in line with its key competitors in the premium mid-size segment, such as the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the BMW 3 Series. Audi's decision to position the A5 as a premium offering is in line with its brand image and its focus on delivering a luxurious and sophisticated driving experience.
The A5's combination of sleek design, high-quality materials, and advanced technology justifies its premium price point. Audi is confident that the A5's comprehensive package of features and its overall appeal will resonate with customers who are willing to pay a premium for a car that offers a superior driving experience.
The A5's premium positioning will be further enhanced by a range of customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicles to their individual tastes and preferences. Audi will offer a wide selection of exterior colors, interior trims, and optional packages, enabling customers to create an A5 that reflects their unique style and personality.
The launch of the new Audi A5 is more than just a new car launch. It's a statement of intent. It signals the beginning of an exciting new chapter for Audi.
Audi's electrification strategy is in full swing, with many electric vehicles planned. the A5 e-tron will soon join the lineup, expanding Audi's electric vehicle portfolio.
Audi's electric vehicles leverage technological expertise and deliver a premium driving experience.
The new A5 showcases advanced infotainment and driver assistance systems. With combustion, hybrid, and electric options, the A5 is a car for the present and future.